Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of November 18th in my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral. I do have the binder system. I've been really loving that. It is the same layout as the vertical spiral bound though, and I am going to be using this Marmalade kit from Inky and the Brain. Absolutely love this kit. Thought this was so cute for fall. I love the yogurt. Oh, I just am obsessed with this, so I really wanted to use this. This is like the mid-size kit. She has a couple different sizes on her website, but you do get 9 full boxes, some squiggles boxes, an assortment of other boxes, some flags, and enough stuff to do all the sidebars without getting like the checklists and all that stuff for in my Erin Condren, which I don't use. I do usually end up needing to pull just a little bit of functional stuff in with these kits, but I have plenty and actually have some really cute stuff that I pulled out for this. And then she does have the date covers and this bottom washi, which is so cute, but I may cut it down anyways because I have so much Pretty Simply Gilded that matches this. Anyway, I am gonna go ahead and pull out these pages and jump in.
And so I am going to go ahead and jump in here. I've been like obsessed with these date dots from Sadie Stickers. They have like the little sparkly bows around them. I picked up some more on Black Friday. Her Black Friday sale was really good. Oh my gosh, I bought so much foil stickers on Black Friday. It's like insane, but now I feel like all I'm doing is waiting for stickers. I didn't need any winter kits. I had like so many winter kits and I really focused on like foil, a little bit of character stuff, and then I did pick up 2 print pression ring bound planners on the Cyber Monday sale because I saw it looked like his new rings, which I confirmed they are new rings. They're not the ones that used to be in the planners. Look like they should be the ones that you can swap out with those Stationary Life ones on Amazon. So I was really excited about that. I'm like not even using a ring bound planner right now, but I couldn't help myself. And I'm planning on setting one up for the winter, but I'm not going to use it like every week for weekly planning. I have like some other ideas for it. I just miss doing setups. Anyway, I'm like so into planners right now. So I did pull in these Sadie stickers, like pink functional stuff too. I used the headers, and then as well I'll use some of like the functional pieces, like the quarter boxes in the spread. I actually have them in pink, and I didn't have any headers in like the maroony red color, but I do have some of the functionals. And then I had just found some random glitter headers from Scribble Prints Co. that like from a leftovers that match this pretty well. So I used those, and I can put overlays on those ones. I do wish the Inky and the Brain kits came with glitter headers, but other than that, I absolutely love the format, and I really love the size of this kit and all that stuff. I'm so obsessed with that yogurt box. Like, just I want to eat that every single day. I make overnight oats a lot, actually. It's like one of my favorite breakfasts, but it's like too cold right now, but I still make it anyways. And I just got an electric kettle, so I've been drinking a lot of hot water, which is nice because it's really cold here. We just moved back to Philly from Texas, so it is significantly colder, and it's early December right now while I'm recording this voiceover. This is like my last catch-up video. I mean, it's going to take me a while to get these all posted and everything because I'm trying to post 2 videos a week, but this is like the last catch-up one, and now I just have to do my regular week, which the next week is Thanksgiving, and it's like the week after Thanksgiving now, which would be like my regular schedule, so I'm very happy about that, and that is exciting for me because I was really looking forward to being all caught up in my planners. It's just a good feeling, but I've been having so much fun with these spreads. I was going to record another one today, but I didn't feel like putting my nails back on. These are static pop manicure nails that I'm wearing in the video, and I've been wearing in like my last couple of videos. I'm so obsessed with them right now. They had like a huge Black Friday sale. I just bought like a bunch of new ones too, and I just love them, but I had been wearing them for like 2 weeks straight, and I just felt like I needed a break, and I'll have to put them back on tomorrow for the weekend anyway. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do the voiceover, and then I can put my nails on tomorrow and do another video, record like this past week's plan with me for tomorrow, rewind plan with me, whatever you want to call it. My like future plans / to-dos I've been doing in a bullet journal lately, which my December video I think should already be up, my December setup, and I've been posting my weekly spreads on Instagram, so definitely, check that out. Oh my gosh, this was like such a random, I'm just feeling like a little bit crazy. After this, I'm planning on making myself a mug cake and like just chilling out. The kids are taking a nap right now. We had a really fun morning at a play place, which we haven't done in a while, but I am also just like I feel so touched out like all the time being pregnant and taking care of 2 kids. Even though I don't have them with me full time, they do go to school 3 days a week. But I'm just like, can I get 5 minutes where like no one is climbing on top of me? Anyway, it's definitely a real problem right now. It's very much a struggle. But they are so cute sometimes, too, which is fun. And I love watching them play together. And I just need some space where I'm not being climbed on, which would be fantastic. But I don't think it's going to happen. Probably not for like several more years. When is the age when kids don't want to touch you anymore? And then I'll be sad and I'll miss it. But anyway, so I just finished up with the sidebar. I have been like keeping track of my meals, and I'm even back to a little bit of meal planning now that we're all situated in the house. And then I decided I really wanted to try something different to mark schools this week, just like mix it up. So I grabbed these toffee bananas, which is now Paper Shire backpacks, and I put them on a little piece of washi, and then I'm going to put the little gold foil school scripts from Art Book stickers over them. Just kind of mixing it up. I don't know. I just think this looks really cute. I love the Art Box stickers, the really teeny tiny scripts. They're like so perfect. Because then if you want it to be really small, you could squeeze it in, or you can like mix it with, a bigger character sticker. So I was just having really fun. But anyway, so on this Monday, the kids did have school, and then I did some work. For those of you that don't know, I like have a freelance business that is like an analytics business that I just have like a couple of clients that, industry connections have gotten me in touch with, and the company that I used to work for full time before I had kids. So I just have took some, not like quote unquote time off, it's, if I don't work, I don't get paid, but I took some time off while we moved. So I'm getting back into the swing of things, just starting up a new project and everything. So I did a bunch of work on Monday, and then my husband came home from lunch, which he's been doing a lot, which is super nice because he works pretty close to the office, and he's still like getting situated there. So that's been fun. And then after school, it was pretty nice out that day, so we went to the playground, and I used one of those paper and milk little fall people from last year. And then my husband got home really late that night. I don't remember why, but I used a kind of leaf. I've been like using the Clever Gal craft leaves like interchangeably, like how I would use the hearts, just because. But anyway, on Tuesday we went to Target, and I wanted to use a seasonal coffee sticker. I did go to Starbucks in the Target, and then my mom came over to babysit the kids because I had my first OB appointment at my new practice since we've moved. So that was nice, and I didn't have to take the kids with me, and etc. And then we got an offer on our house. We sold our house in Texas. Yay, I'm so excited. Anyway, so we got the offer on our house that day. It was like really, really exciting. And it kind of like didn't come out of nowhere. We'd had like a good interest in the house, but we thought like these other people were going to make an offer, and then they never did. And then out of nowhere, these like people just came and made an offer. So it was pretty awesome. On Wednesday, we had school again, and then I did a little bit more work, and then I spent a bunch of time kind of like getting the office organized and in shape. That was like kind of the last thing I unpacked in the house. We got everything else set up, and then when I was alone in the house, I got my office set up how I wanted. I got my camera mount set up, unpacked all my stickers, got them all reorganized, etc. I also had this freebie from Paper Shire from a sale, and I thought it was so cute, and I realized like I've been trying to pull in so many fall goodies because this is my second to last fall spread. I'll still do fall stuff for Thanksgiving, but I'm trying to just use as much of it as I can. Just like so pretty, and I love those. So I used a lot of those like decorative pieces in this spread, and I think they match really well. We went to the playground again on Wednesday, which is really nice. We live across the street from a playground right now, which is super awesome. And it's not anytime it's not like absolutely freezing cold. I've been taking the kids to the playground after school a lot. And one day I even walked to pick the kids up from school, which was so nice, which I definitely could not have done where we used to live because we live so far from the school. And then I just filled this out, and I'm also filling out my meals. And then I wait till the end to do this week, where I've just been doing like memory keeping since all of these are rewind spreads. I haven't done anything with my monthlies in here, but I think I'm going to go back to doing like that thing a day or line a day, whatever spreads in the monthlies. But I haven't done any of them yet. Well, I mean, it's like done through October, but like, so I'll have to do November still. And then on Thursday, what did we do? We went to pick up McDonald's breakfast, which is like my kids' new favorite thing. They get like that big plate breakfast, and then they just share it, and they just eat like so much, and they're like pancakes. Anyway, and then we went to Michael's, which was so fun. The kids were really good in Michael's, but then they were super cranky when we got home. We bought a bunch of like, I don't know, deco-y stuff. I won't, like we don't celebrate Christmas in our house or anything, so not Christmas, but just like I was originally going to do fall stuff, but then I was like, it's almost winter, so I did like kind of transitional works for fall or winter, and I built like, we had like a bunch of vases on these shelves, so I did like little floral arrangements, and I think I posted it on my Instagram stories, but they came out super cute, and the kids had a lot of fun playing with the sticks, a lot of fun. Anyway, and then everybody took really terrible naps, which was also fun, but then my dad came over in the afternoon, and my kids are obsessed with my dad. So they had so much fun, and Pop was here. And then that night, my husband got home really late because he was looking for a car, and that's where he was like a lot of this week. We had borrowed my dad's car for like 2.5 weeks. So he was trying to find a car. And then I ordered Thai takeout because I was just like, this was a day, and that's all I crave is Thai food. I just have been eating so much Thai food. Anyway, then on Friday, the kids had school again. I finished all the office setup and all the plugs. I had some trouble drilling into the walls because they're like kind of a weird material, but I got my camera mounted. I decided not to mount anything else by drill. And then I went with my husband to go help him buy the car because he didn't have his Pennsylvania driver's license yet, and I did, and it was like a whole thing. This was like a whole mess of a thing. Anyway, so he has a car. We both have cars now. He still needs to get his license, though. And then we just had like a chill afternoon, and we got pizza for dinner, and we're horribly disappointed by the pizza place, which will come up again on Sunday when you see we order pizza again, because that is our life. Anyway, on Saturday, we went and got groceries, and then my mom actually took my daughter to like see this show downtown, she had a really fun time. And then we cleaned the house and did some cooking because we hosted a small birthday party for my dad at our house. It was like our first time having people over, and it was super fun. I did a seafood boil. It was absolutely delicious. It looked super impressive, but it's not super hard, and it's like a one-pot thing, so it's really easy to clean up from, and it was really, really yummy, and that was really fun. And my kids actually both like love seafood, especially my daughter. She's just like, more clams, which is like a really hilarious thing to hear a 3.5-year-old say. And anyway, and then those cleaning stickers are the new doodles from Artbox Stickers. How cute are those? I love that clean the house one. And yeah, and then I just grabbed some paper and milk birthday party ones, and we had a really fun time with that, and everybody. The kids were like all crazed and excited. There's been so excited to see like all their grandparents, my parents and my husband's family too, both live here. So it's been really nice to have all the family around. And then on Sunday, we were just so tired. It was our first time hosting people, and we were just like both exhausted. The kids were exhausted. And it was also super rainy, so we were like, oh, what are we going to do? Anyway, we ended up going out for breakfast at this really yummy like place that had like a million different kinds of pancakes and French toast, and I was like in pancake French toast heaven, and they let you order like a sampler. I got a French toast sampler with like 3 different kinds of French toast, and it was amazing, and it was so happy. And then we went to the mall, which is like, my daughter has been asking to go to the mall every single day. They have like a really fun place there, and it's nice too because like I can walk around and go to the stores while my husband watches them at the play place, and they have like a gigantic food court with like a million different things. It's a really huge mall. Anyway, so we did that, and then I put this up, but even though it happened after, but whatever. Anyway, everybody took a nap that day. We were so tired. My daughter, I took a nap. My husband took a nap. Like we had a family nap. Everyone in like their own space, but a family nap. And then we got pizza again because the pizza on Friday had not been up to par. The pizza on Sunday was still good, but we have not found our pizza delivery place. We have very high pizza expectations, especially for in this area, because like there's really good pizza in this area. We haven't found like a good enough delivery place yet, so we'll just keep trying them until we find something we like. But we are going to my absolute favorite pizza restaurant this weekend with my family, but it's not a delivery place. It's like this like crazy intense only like you have to reserve your number of pies. It's a whole thing, but it's the best. It's called Tacanelli's. It's in like Fishtown in Philadelphia, and it's amazing. So if you live in Philadelphia and you have never been there, do yourself a favor and go. It's my absolute favorite. And that is just about everything for this spread.
Okay, that is everything wrapped up in here. I love how this turned out. This is so pretty. Ugh, I am just not ready to say goodbye to fall spreads yet, but I only have one more left in here for Thanksgiving, and then I am switching over to winter, and it just makes me a little bit sad. I Ooh, I'm still feeling fall very much, but it's already December and the weather is very wintry here. Let me show you what I have left in this kit. I'm really glad I pulled in all the stuff from Sadie's Stickers because I usually do need more of like the quarter size boxes when I use an Inky and the Brain kit this size, but I do have 2 full boxes left, a little bit of washi, 1 full box that I didn't use, and like a little bit of deco and stuff. But this is a really great size kit for me, and I just really like how this looks. I love, Esley always pulls in like really rich colors to her kits, and her paper is like my favorite paper. It's just such a buttery premium matte. It's just really nice to write on and to feel. And anyway, I did all of my writing in a Pigma Micron 03. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Bye!